How to fix notification sounds going low on iPhone. Let's get started. If your iPhone's notification sounds are getting low or quieter than usual on iOS 18, there may be several reasons causing the issue. Here's how to troubleshoot and fix the issue. First up, launch your settings. Now head over to the option Face ID and Passcode. You'll be prompted to enter your passcode. Then you'll be directed to this page. Now here you will see the option of Attention Aware features. Make sure you have it disabled for this option. If you have enabled it, disable it. Next, check the ringer and alerts volume. For that, head back, navigate to the option Sound and Haptics. Under ringer and alerts, use the slider to adjust the volume level. You can also enable change with buttons to adjust the volume using the side volume buttons. Likewise, make sure you have turned off the Not Disturb mode. For that, head back, navigate to the option Focus. Make sure you haven't enabled any of these options. Now disable Reduce Loud Sounds. For that, head back, go to the option Sound and Haptics. Then scroll all the way down, click on the option Headphone Safety and make sure you have disabled for the option Reduce Loud Sounds. Next up, restart your iPhone. A simple restart can fix temporary glitches that may be affecting notification sounds. For that, head back, navigate to the option of General, then scroll all the way down, click on the option of Shutdown. After you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back. Next, check Bluetooth devices. If your iPhone is connected to a Bluetooth audio device like headphones or a speaker, notification might play through that device instead of your iPhone speaker. So disable for the option of Bluetooth. If none of our solutions work, you can reset all settings to fix any misconfigurations that may be affecting notification sounds. For that, go to General, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset all settings and go through the process. Lastly, what you can do is ensure that the volume issue is not specific to a particular app by checking each app's notification. For that, head back, go to the main page of settings, click on Notification. Now head over to any of the app in which you are having the issue and then make sure you have toggle on for the option of Allow Notification. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of notification sound going low or volume of notification getting lower on your iPhone running iOS 18. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.